Ladies and gentlemen, in this iFactioners learning video tutorial, we will translate English sentences in Urdu language. These sentences are related to the restaurant and how can we speak Urdu and English at the restaurant with the waiter and other staff members. Let's start. In English, we say, "Are you ready to order?" Now the waiter is asking, "Are you ready to order?" And in Urdu, it is, "क्या आप ऑर्डर के लिए तैयार हैं?" क्या आप ऑर्डर के लिए तैयार हैं? Now we translate each and every word of English in Urdu. First, I will translate it in Roman Urdu. So, are can be translated as हैं. You, आप, ready, तैयार. To, के लिए. And order is order or order. Now you see that if we translate literally, then we get the sentence हैं आप तैयार के लिए order. But in Urdu, when we ask a question, we start the sentence with kya, question sentence, and then we use the subject, then comes the object, and then the predicate with the verb. Now let's see how can we type these words in Urdu language. So I switch to Urdu keyboard and open my virtual keyboard, and then हैं can be written as he, ye, and nuna. आप, alif mad a, and pesakin. तैयार is te, ye, alif, re, तैयार. के लिए, काफ, बड़ी लिए, के, and लिए, lam, हमजा, बड़ी है, के लिए. And order is order. Alif mad a, re, dal, re, order. And when we translate, "Are you ready to order?" then we translate it as क्या आप ऑर्डर के लिए तैयार हैं? Now the customer says, "Please come back in 5 minutes." And the Urdu translation of this sentence is, मेहरबानी करके 5 मिनट में वापस आएं. मेहरबानी करके 5 मिनट में वापस आएं. Now we will see how we can translate these English words in this sentence in Urdu. So, please is meherbani. And come is I. Back is वापस. In में. 5 is पाँच. Minutes is minute. Now if we see closely, then the sentence can be literally translated as मेहरबानी आए वापस में 5 मिनट. But in Urdu, we start with मेहरबानी करके 5 मिनट में वापस आएं. Now let's see how do we type these words in Urdu. मेहरबानी can be typed as मीम हे रे. बानी बे अलिफ बा, नून छोटी ए, मेहरबानी. I is I because it is making a big sound, a longer sound, therefore it should be alif mat a, e, hamza, ye, and noon. So I is written like this. Wapas is waw, alif, pe, sin, wapas. Me, meem, ye, and noon. Panch, pe, alif, noon, che, panch. And minute can be written as meem, noon, and te, minute. Please come back in 5 minutes. मेहरबानी करके 5 मिनट में वापस आएं. Now the waiter says, I will be back in 5 minutes. In Urdu, मैं 5 मिनट में वापस आता हूँ. मैं 5 मिनट में वापस आता हूँ. Now we will translate each and every word in the English sentence in Urdu. So, I is मैं. First I will translate it in Roman Urdu. Will be. Will be means ga. Back is वापस. May is in. 5 is panch. And minutes are minute. Now you see that will be can be translated as ga in Urdu, but usually when we are talking about the near future, then we talk in the present tense. Like मैं 5 मिनट में वापस आता हूँ. It means that I am coming back. I come back in 5 minutes. So now let's see how do we type these words in Urdu. मैं is meem, ye, and nuna. Ga for male, and if the waiter is female, then she will say gi. Wapis is waw, alif, pe, sin. Me, meem, ye, and nuna. You will notice one thing that me and me are written in the same way, but we usually don't use Arabs in Urdu writing, but there is a zabar on top of this me, meem zabar ye noon na me, and there is zer me, meem zer ye noon na me. So panch is pe alif, noon che, panch. And minute is meem, noon, te. Now you see that we translate I will be back in 5 minutes. We start with the subject which is मैं. Then comes the time 5 minute. मैं and then the verb वापस आता हूँ. So in Urdu we start with the subject, then the time information, the object, and then the rest of the sentence. Let's move forward. The next sentence is, now the waiter is back and now we are ordering our food. I would like to order fish and chips. In Urdu we can translate it as मैं मछली और चिप्स ऑर्डर करना चाहूँगा. मैं मछली और चिप्स ऑर्डर करना चाहूँगा. Now let's translate I is मैं. Would is ga because I am a male, and if I am a female then I will say gi. Like is pasand, or here we can translate it as chahun. Chahun. To is ke liye. Order is order. Fish is machli, and is or. Chips is chips. So you see, if we translate word by word, then it's मैं गा चाहूँ के लिए order, machli or chips. But in Urdu, we start the sentence with the subject, which is मैं. Then comes the object, machli or chips. Then comes the verb, order करना चाहूँगा, the predicate. मैं, subject, object is machli or chips, and then the predicate. Now let's see how do we type मैं in Urdu. So I switch to Urdu keyboard and open virtual keyboard in Windows, and then I write meme ye and noona मैं. Ga is gaf, alif ga. Or if we want to say gi, then gi is gaf choti ye gi for female. So in Urdu, the gender of the thing or the subject or the object is very important because the sentence structure depends upon the gender. So चाहूँ is चे alif cha, he, वाव, नूना, चाहूँ. के लिए is काफ, बड़ी ये के, and लिए is lam, हमजा, बड़ी ये, के लिए. Order is order, alif mada, re, dal, and re, order. Machli or chips. Machli is spelled as meme, and because there is an aspirated sound, then comes che with do chashmi hai to make an aspirated sound. Much. So you puff an air out of it. Machli. And or. Alif Vaure. Or chips is che, pe, sin. Chips. So we translate word by word in Urdu, and we get ourselves मैं मछली और chips order करना चाहूँगा. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. We will continue our discussion about how do we translate English sentences in Urdu in a restaurant when we go to the restaurant. If you have any questions or comments, then you can use the comment section below. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family members. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.